It's your girl again, Ekwa Bellissima. Today, kitchen, we are coming to prepare palm nut soup. And with our palm nut soup, we have assorted meat. So let's quickly go on with our ingredients for today. We have our goat meat, the head, the intestines, everything inside. This enough salted fish, this cow skin, and we have cow leg, the smoked cow leg. And this is dry fish. It gives it extraordinary taste when you put it inside your soup. We have our tomatoes, onions, habanero pepper, mushroom, ginger, garlic, our fish, fresh fish. This is our palm nuts that we are coming to use. And this we are going to make this one with our ginger and then blend it to our soup. These are spices that we are going to use for our soup. Tomato paste, salt to taste. This already blended garlic, rosemary, basilico. I've already blended it. So let's go on and then blend our ingredients to start our soup for today. I'm cutting my ginger into the blender. My ginger, garlic, and then add my one anise seed, rosemary, and then basil. This one I'm coming to cut it in and put it on top of the meat. Let's blend it. I'm adding my already blended ginger, onion, rosemary, 1.5, and then let me wash my spoon. I'm only using 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Let's put our meat on fire. We're going to leave it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Whilst our meat is seasoned on fire, we are going on cutting our onion and then boil it. I don't normally put my onion, tomatoes, habanero pepper inside the meat. I separate it. Just boil it. Cut it into 2. We are going to use rice ball to enjoy our palm nut soup. For the lunch, after we check our meat, it has boiled a little bit. I'm adding water and then put it on fire. Our tomato is on fire. Let me wash my rice and then put on the rice on fire. I'm putting my rice bottle on fire. Yes, I'm on my fire. Let me add a little bit of salt. Just a little to give it a taste. Use my hand to stir it and cover it. Let's check our meat. Stir it a bit. Ooh, everything there inside there. Look at the head. Our cow leg too. Everything. This soup is going to be mmm. Our salted fish too is inside. I love the taste. Let's check our meat. Let me see. No, the cow food is very hard, so let's leave it about 15 minutes. Because we have still water on it, on the meat, so let's leave it about 15 minutes. Very hard. Now I'm blending my fresh tomatoes, onions, and habanero pepper that I boiled. Let's blend it. It's time for me to add my palm nut cream, Ghana fresh palm nut cream. I'm adding everything inside my bowl, my pan, yeah. Pan. Because of the heat, it will melt itself. This is already made one. I've already strained it. It's very tasty, yeah. Then I add water. Let me add everything. I'm going to wash it a bit. I'm adding my water to it. The water depends on you, the way you like the thickness of the soup. My family like very light palm nut soup, not thick one. I'll add a little bit of water to it again. Lightness. Blended item. Then mix it together. Everything inside now. Love the taste. Let's add our mushroom. Then cover it half, not full. I'm going to cover it half like this. Then leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Fresh fish. I'm not going to add the tilapia right now because I soak it overnight, so it's very soft. Only the fresh fish. Leave the tilapia aside. Let's stir it a bit like this. Not too much. My rice ball is ready. This That's how I do it. Ready. Very soft. Let's check our soup too. Oh yeah, the soup too is coming. Right now I'm adding my Kobe. Yes, Kobe inside. Wow, the Kobe is salted tilapia. But in Ghana we call it Kobe. That they dry it, they use salt, a big salt to dry it. The soup is not ready. That's what we are coming to use our rice ball to enjoy our palm nut soup. Hello my lovely families. My palm nut soup is ready with my rice ball. I'm going to serve myself. This is one of the goods. Have mushroom. Here is the cow leg. This bit of salted tilapia. The Kobe. Everything. Yes. My coffee. Oh, in our local language, we call it kotodwe. Kotodwe. Soup is ready for lunch. Let's taste it. You can use your hands to eat it, and you can also use spoon too. This time I'm using my spoon to enjoy my rice bowl. Very delicious. All the aromas, you can feel it. If you haven't still subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Let me enjoy my kotodwe, yeah? My cow leg. Very hot.